The 1936 Bugatti Atlantic is widely celebrated as the Mona Lisa of the automotive world, and is often considered the world's first true supercar. Designed by Jean Bugatti, this Art Deco masterpiece perfectly blended aviation-inspired design with cutting-edge 1930s engineering. If Da Vinci had designed a car, it would have been the Bugatti Atlantic. The Atlantic's most defining feature is the raised, riveted seam or dorsal spine, running straight down the middle of the body and over its sweeping fenders. Only 4 were ever built between 1936 and 1938, making it one of the rarest, most exclusive, and most valuable vehicles in history. Let's look at it in detail with our 1/24th scale model. With only 3 surviving, the 1936 Atlantic remains the holy grail of collector cars. This is not just a car. It is a $100 million rolling sculpture.